Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Jaguar XF Smart Key battery. First, gather your essential tools: a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 coin cell battery. Having a clean, well-lit area is crucial to avoid misplacing tiny components. This simple process will restore full functionality to your key fob, ensuring reliable access to your vehicle. Let's get started with the first step. Now let's open the key fob. First, remove the emergency key by sliding the small button on the side and pulling it out. Next, you'll find a small slot where the emergency key was housed. Insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twist, the two halves of the key fob should separate, revealing the internal components. Be careful not to force it, as the plastic can be delicate. With the key fob open, you'll see the old coin cell battery. Take a moment to observe its orientation. Typically, the positive side, marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. Use your small flathead screwdriver to gently pry out the old battery from its housing. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it, ensuring the positive side is facing up, just like the old one. It should click securely into place. Finally, let's reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the key fob, ensuring all internal components are properly seated. Press them firmly together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely closed. Don't forget to slide the emergency key back into its slot until it locks into place. Now, test your key fob by locking and unlocking your Jaguar XF to confirm everything is working perfectly. You've successfully changed your battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.